Well, it is time to address this situation. You can no longer see the pots that I have behind my rosemary plant. So what I'm going to do is trim up this rosemary, which you can do. And the best time to do it is late spring to early summer. But you can see the pots that I have down here. If I move them aside, so I'll probably have to clean up these pots too. But first things first, I'm going to trim this rosemary up a bit. So hold on. All right, so on this rosemary, you don't want to cut off the woody growth because nothing will grow from there. So you want to cut it down to, you know, where it's still tender down here. So I think here, I'm not sure how far back I want to go. Yeah, right about there should be good. Ah, you can see the pot a little. Oh, sorry. It's hard to hold with one hand and cut. And I do like cutting rosemary because it makes your hands smell so good. Oh yeah, they smell great. I think what I'll do is put these in a little vase in the house with no water and just let them dry. But it will give the house a little bit of a rosemary smell. Look, there's a pot back there. And you can trim your plant down pretty far, no more than 1/3 of the entire plant off. But what this will do, it will make my plant a little bushier. So that means that these pots, their days are numbered back here because it'll eventually get pretty bushy. These up here I'm going to leave a little longer. Oh, here, I'll cut that one off. I need to sharpen my clippers here. It's doing a terrible job of cutting. I think I might get a pair of scissors that will probably work better. Okay, I have the scissors out. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah, way better. Okay. Now this succulent is really, really long, so I will need to cut that and reset it. Oops, just broke a leaf off, but I'll throw it back there and it might propagate. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this right now. I'm gonna cut it right here. And I'm gonna set that aside for the moment and I'll put it in another pot or in the ground. All right, let's get back to the rosemary. I'm gonna cut a little bit down here. All right, I gotta be careful down here so I don't step on my plants. All right, let's see. I'll cut a little here. All right, that's a little bit too woody there. All right. These I want to leave a little taller in the middle. Okay, let me set the camera down and I'll keep working at it. I think it's looking better already. Yeah, these are getting really big back here. Notice that I'm not cutting straight across the top of the plant. I'm making selective cuts so that the plant will look more natural. I don't want it to look like a hedge that's been sheared across the top and along the sides. Looking a little better. All right, I think I'm going to cut a little bit more off of the left side, just a teeny little bit. Okay, I think that's about it for the trimming on this. And the next thing that I will need to work on are the pots. Yes, that's an improvement. Okay, I'm thinking I'm not going to do too much with these pots today, but I will insert this one in there. And the soil is dry, so I can get away with doing this. So I'm going to cut it right about there. And I want to twist off the leaves so I can have a stem to stick in the soil. Yeah, maybe two more. Okay, I think I'll put it maybe right in the back. Yeah, could use something back here. Oh, missed a few leaves. All right, now this is another part of that piece that I cut off, so I will save that for something else. Maybe use the leaves for propagation, or just put the stick in the ground and it will grow. So I'm going to set that aside. See if there's anything else that I can trim up just a little bit for now. You can see all these that I have, and what I'm going to do is just throw them in the back. Oop. And if they propagate, they propagate. Cobwebs. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this one alone. This one, I could cut this off. That's pretty long. I think I will. Okay, and once again, I'm just going to twist off the bottom leaves and pluck that right into the pot. In fact, I can just set it in there gently and it'll be okay, it'll grow. That I'm going to leave for now. I've got some donkey tail back there. This I probably will pull out because it's huge. But not today. We'll do that another time. All right, let's take a full look. It's a whole lot better. You can see the orange pots and then the blue pot and the plants somewhat. So that's an improvement. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.